blooming bulbs native to Central Asia and Europe. They have been naturalized all over the world. They are popular garden plants because of their beautiful flowers and wide range of colors. Tulips were first introduced to Europe in the 16th century from Constantinople. They quickly become popular in gardens all over Europe and a symbol of wealth and luxury. In the 17th century, the tulip market in Netherlands experienced a speculative bubble known as Tulip Mania. During this time, tulip bulbs were traded at extremely high prices, and some people even managed to mortgage their homes to buy them. Of course, this bubble eventually burst and many people lost their fortunes. Tulips are relatively easy to grow, and they can be grown in most climates. They prefer well-drained soil, full sun, but they will tolerate some shade. They should be planted in the fall, and they will bloom in the spring. And there are over 150 species of tulips, and there are thousands of different varieties. Tulips are available in a wide range of colors, including red, yellow, orange, pink, purple, and white. There are also tulips with bicolors and stripes. Tulips are popular cut flowers, and they are also used in landscaping. Tulips can be forced to bloom inside, and they make a beautiful addition to any home. Tulips are beautiful and popular flowers that are easy to grow. They are a great addition to any garden and can be enjoyed by people of all ages.